Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'm gonna show you how to add an automatic subscribe button. But first you wanna go to YouTube and click on your icon and hit Creator Studio. And then go to View Channel. And up here, copy this link up there. That's your channel link.
Changed all in my generator because I was at one event.
So make sure you copy your channel link. And I'm gonna paste it in a Word document. So that's my channel name. And then right here, you wanna add this to the end of your channel. This !sub _ confirmation equals 1. Just copy and paste it at the end of your channel. And next you wanna copy your channel name. The whole thing right here, just copy it. And you could paste it in an email or whatever you want. So I'm gonna go to a new page and I'm gonna paste it and show you what it would look like. So I hit enter, and this is what will happen whenever you send this to someone. So that's all to it. So you can put this on in your descriptions, or you can send it across to people in email. So I hope this video helped, and subscribe to my channel. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. And thank you, and have a great day.